Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Gmail. If you're tired of constant pings or want to stay focused while you work, adjusting this setting will help you cut down on distractions. The process is quick, simple, and can be done in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open Gmail and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the familiar gear icon. That's your shortcut to Settings. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will drop down, but we want the full list of options. To get there, click on See All Settings. This will open a new page with multiple tabs where you can customize everything from your inbox layout to security settings. By default, you should land on the General tab, which is exactly where we need to be. Now, scroll down until you see a section labeled Desktop Notifications. This is where Gmail manages all the alerts that pop up on your computer whenever a new email arrives. You'll see a few different choices, but to completely stop interruptions, select the option that says Mail Notifications Off. By doing this, Gmail won't send desktop alerts anymore, allowing you to check emails only when it fits your schedule. Before wrapping up, there's one important step. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Without saving, your new preference won't apply, and Gmail will continue showing notifications. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Gmail notifications. This small change can make a big difference in helping you stay focused, whether you're working, studying, or just want a break from constant alerts. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, simply return to the same settings page and choose a different option. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button, share this tutorial with someone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.